Hey, what's going on, everybody? So it is a winter storm going on outside, and it is 70 degrees in the garage right now. So working on the car, just doing some maintenance and all that kind of stuff. But you can see right here, that's the reason that it's 70 degrees. Got the Mr. Heater going, and it is amazing. So I'm gonna and right now it's running on diesel fuel, and I don't smell anything. You know, a lot of people kind of been saying, like, you know, it smells bad, but I'm running a super low sulfur diesel. I don't know if that's just standard across the board or whatever, but I mean, it works. I don't smell anything, and I wouldn't say it's a lot cleaner smell than kerosene. I was using the 1K kerosene, and it was just too strong, too overpowering. Then I tried clean heat. Clean heat doesn't smell either. I would say it's about the best compared to this diesel that I'm running. And but the only thing is, clean heat for 2.5 gallons is $30. So, you know, 2.5 gallons of diesel is $8. So, I mean, you know, if they both smell the same, then, you know, it's just good. It's the best choice to go with diesel. And you can see I have the garage door closed. I know I'm gonna get flamed in the comments for that, but the garage door is closed. It's been closed for a while, and you know, everything's fine. I haven't felt dizzy. My eyes aren't burning. None of the carbon monoxide symptoms. So far so good. But yeah, I really like diesel. Also, usually I would be working with the garage door open. In fact, I was working with it open yesterday, and the garage temperatures were still in the 60s with the garage door open, and it was like maybe 30 outside. So, you know, this heater, once again, it's super strong, and I got about a 20 by 20 garage space with a 10-foot ceiling. So, you know, it's just a decent sized 2-car garage, and it works great, super great. So highly recommend this heater if you are going to be working in your shop in the cold. All right, see ya.